guys, and welcome back to another Monday motivation video to start your week off right. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend and are ready for a fresh new week ahead. Today I have for you some daily cleaning motivation as well as some more small spring cleaning tasks to tackle in the kitchen. I am still embracing all early spring has to offer by decorating with spring flowers and transitioning into making more lighter spring meals now. We also had a wonderful weekend away in Bath as Ben ran the half Bath marathon. And lastly, I have for you guys some more dressing room makeover updates. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and it gave you the motivation you needed for a fresh new week ahead. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. I thought I'd show you guys before I move everything back again what I've been doing in here. You would have seen the clips. So on all of the bottom paneling, I wanted to add an extra thin piece. It's kind of hard to see. You can sort of see it there, but I just think it brings a bit more. I was going to do it everywhere, and you know what, I've got so much paneling that I decided just to do it on the bottom. So I've just been priming the pieces of wood that I've put on the last couple of days. I usually save quite a few up that I've stuck on the walls just so I can do them all together, and I'm not priming one bit at a time. So this bit here, I just need to do the caulk, and also this one here, which is above the radiator. So this is the vanity area. I was going to do, if I move down, I was going to do a panel here. You can see the outline of the pencil mark. I decided against it, A, because as I mentioned, I'm doing so much paneling in here, and B, the dressing table kind of hides this bit, like at the exact bit the paneling would go. So I decided against it in the end, but I have put some on this side here, so you can see it here. It is smaller this side compared to that one, but I've just kind of followed the shape of the wall. And then I do need to move out my skincare cupboard so I can just finish off the dodo around this part of the wall here. So let me give you a scroll down so you can get a real feel of how it's going to look. And then I can't remember if I mentioned here, I know I did on Instagram, I'm going to have two wall lights, so one there and one there, and then that's where the mirror is going. An update on the Pax wardrobe, I have done all the skirting trim now, and then I just primed it today. So that will be ready to paint, along with I have added, you can see the difference if I come up here. So you see where I added the MDF, you can see this one is exposed, but this one and this one I have added trim to. So it really just finishes it off. It's where the two wardrobes join together. So I just wanted to put something to hide that, and I've also just primed them as well. So I do need to finish off doing this one, and then I've got a thinner trim to go on the ends. Then one last thing that I wanted to share with you guys that is hallway related is the shelf. So I mentioned about this part here, if you can see it, where I'm going to be putting the hooks. But I did just, while I was painting in here, I thought I would swatch the Farrow & Ball colour that I shared with you guys a couple of weeks ago. I think it's pronounced Bancher, but it's the most stunning olive green. This is just one little coat, and I definitely think this will be perfect painted all over this for the hallway. It will complement that footstool that I shared with you guys in the hallway perfectly. I think in my next video I'll definitely have this finished to share with you guys, and hopefully up on the wall, but I will keep you updated over on Instagram as well.